making biochar with a pile of bricks, clearing out lots of brush. So we have two fires, one with a tube of bricks, burning sticks placed vertically into the fire. Temperature inside there incredibly hot with restricted airflow, so very hot and less oxygen is an efficient burn. And then here's just an open fire, which is probably, as you can see, less flame, much cooler temperature, much more oxygen, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's quite a bit of smoke coming from that fire. And with this fire, with the tube, you can see heat, probably not in the film, but shimmering out of the flame with very little smoke. So that's starting to become a gasified flame, where the flame is burning and the carbon in the flame is burning as it's rising up, producing very high heat. And in the bottom of the tube we should be getting charcoal forming as the wood, in one sense, is cooking, taking out the hydrogen from the hydrocarbon, and to be left with carbon on its own, or perhaps some hydrogen, but a very high percentage of carbon in the charcoal. That's what charcoal is. We call it biochar as well. So burning hydrocarbons from wood and creating a high percentage of carbon, called biochar. Very, very good for many processes. And with a bit of breeze, the open fire certainly kicks off, but you have to feed it at quite a high rate, so that will soon become a pile of ash and you have to feed it. This one you have to feed as well, but we've got two fires. So now the fire's cooled down, I'm just going to remove bricks away. Still very pleasantly warm, of course, and it may be that we won't have that much biochar, I don't know. It depends on the level of oxygen at the bottom. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Some gorgeous charcoal there, still glowing. So it almost sounds like glass as that's a beautiful light biochar there, still hot and glowing, so that's very pleasant. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Some gorgeous charcoal there, still glowing. So it almost sounds like glass